In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice AI agents GoHighLevel. If you're ready to have automated, natural-sounding phone conversations that qualify leads, answer FAQs, and book appointments, enabling voice AI outbound calling in GoHighLevel is the first step. I'll walk you through the process, explain what to look for on each screen, and share a few tips to keep things smooth and compliant. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want voice AI to operate. A quick tip: use a modern browser and confirm you have the right permissions. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you might need an admin to grant access. On the left-hand sidebar, click AI Agents. This is the hub where you design, manage, and monitor your agents. If the menu is collapsed, expand it to reveal the full list, then open the AI Agents section. Give the page a second to load. You should see tools for different AI capabilities. Next, select Voice AI. This area is dedicated to voice-driven features. You'll find setup options and documentation that outline how the agent will interact on phone calls, including voice quality and conversation handling. Now, click Enable Outbound Calls. This unlocks the ability for your voice AI to place calls on your behalf. Be aware that outbound calling can incur usage charges and may require a verified phone number and compliant caller ID settings, depending on your region and carrier. You'll see the terms for using voice AI outbound calling. Take a moment to read them carefully. These terms typically cover legal requirements like obtaining consent before calling, respecting do not call rules, following time of day restrictions, and accurately representing your business. They may also address recording disclosures, data retention, and how to handle opt-outs. Understanding these points protects your brand and helps maintain good call deliverability. Below that, review the additional guidelines. These often include practical best practices like keeping scripts concise, avoiding sensitive information, and ensuring your use case is appropriate for AI calling. You may also see notes about supported regions and network quality recommendations to maintain clear audio. When you're confident you meet the requirements, check the box that says you agree to the terms above. Only proceed if your processes are aligned with those rules and you're prepared to honor opt-outs and compliance obligations. Finally, click Accept. You should see a confirmation that outbound calling is now enabled for voice AI. From here, you're ready to move on to configuring your agent's voice, script, and call routing. Topics we'll cover in a separate walkthrough. That's it. You've successfully enabled voice AI outbound calling in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.